Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a clipping mask in Photoshop and Photopea. They are the same thing, one is just free, so it's going to work both ways. So, you might be thinking, what is a clipping mask?
Clipping masks are a much speedier and more versatile method of applying cutout effects to images.
So, firstly, we are just going to paint the background for contrast. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go here and pick any color you want. I'm just gonna right there. Now we're going to go to the paint bucket tool, click that, and then just paint your background. Now we are going to go to the text tool, which is the T right here. I'm just going to make the word space in all caps, so the picture that I'm going to use will have more space. So you're going to make sure you are on the mouse tool, and then you're going to also make sure that transform controls are on. Well, I'm going to hold shift to make it even because I like that. So now it's in the middle. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to File, Open in Place, and then I'm going to put the picture that I want over top of it, everything. So now that we have our base, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the photo that you want to be masked, and then you're going to go to clipping mask. And now you basically have done it. So if you want to move it around, you just go back to the mouse tool and just move it around however you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, it all depends on you. I'm going to put it here. So that is basically the basics of clipping mask. On Photoshop, it will look like this, where all you have to do is basically the same thing. You just right click and